Whoa! Oh boy, haven't you got your work cut out if you've got multiple websites, multiple WordPress websites? Especially if you're an affiliate marketer, you've probably got many sites that you want to promote your products on. That means maintenance. Now, who the heck wants to do maintenance? It's boring. It's significantly boring. And it's taking you away from making money. So what are your options? Number one, get somebody else to do it. Costs more money. And you got to train them. Number two, well, you can use a system. Now, as an affiliate marketer, I recommend that you really start getting systems focused, because you're only going to make more and more money once you start leveraging your time. You should be basically doing more with less. That's leverage. And your time is your biggest component. So if you can actually pay somebody else and they're actually earning less than what you are, if they're costing you less than what you're earning, then go for it. You must build your business. And that means investing in systems and processes and in people who can take away the stuff that does not make you money. Welcome to my business and tech cave for affiliate marketers. Let's have a look at 4 WordPress plugins or pieces of software that you can actually use to manage your WordPress configuration, basically allowing you to manage multiple websites from one location. So instead of actually going into each individual website one by one, you can go into one dashboard and fix up all the plugins, update them, update the themes, add new users, and a lot of other different functionality. The type of system that you use is entirely up to you. I'm going to show you 4 systems today. And they're all different types of systems with different prices and different functionality. So I'm not going to go into what is good and what is bad about each one of these today. It's really just to remind you, systemize, systemize, systemize. Get rid of the work that is not giving you money. Okay, let's have a look at those 4 systems. Main WP, Manage WP, CMS Commander, and Infinite WP. A lot of WPs in there. Let's have a look at Main WP. Well, first of all, there's 2 choices we're just going to look at here. Just very, very simple. Free options and self-hosted. Because those are 2 functions that you really need to be aware of. As in, is it going to cost you anything? And can you host it on your own website? Because if you can't, then you have security risks with your data. Because if it's on another company's website, if they get hacked, all your access details are on there. They may be encrypted, but still there's a risk. So having stuff on your website means you can lock it down and you know exactly who's accessing that site. So Main WP, free option, yay! Manage WP, free option, yay! CMS Commander, no! Infinite WP, yes! Okay, what about self-hosting? Main WP, yes, you can self-host it. Manage WP, no. CMS Commander, no. And Infinite WP, yes. So basically what we can see here is that you've got some different things. So you might think that Main WP is your best option, or maybe Infinite WP, but it's really, you're going to have a look at the pricing, because it really depends on your budget. Because Main WP has a lot of great functionality that is totally for free, and you run it on your server, and it has paid plugins that you can actually upgrade extra functions, which is superb. Infinite WP, though, has a different structure, a different way of doing things, and it may suit you better. So today, I have no real preferences. I've used all of these 4, and you know, I played with Main WP, and I sort of liked that a bit more. I played with CMS Commander when they used to have 5 sites for free. Unfortunately, now they don't offer a free option. So this is just a quick video today to remind you about systemize, 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 and that you should be upgrading and updating your websites frequently. Because if you get hacked and you run behind with your software, then that's going to be very expensive for you. If you've got 100 websites, if you've got 100 affiliate websites, imagine they're all going down overnight. What a headache. So using these tools will basically help you to sort of get to the top and stay at the top. So I hope you've enjoyed the video today. I'll catch you in the next video. Yoo-hoo!